know Jeffrey's been somebody's bitch for the past 3 weeks, right?
I know.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, CJ?
What's up?
What's up, man? Wanna go to prison?
What?
Nah, pick up Jeffrey. He's touching down today. You wanna roll?
Yeah, for sure. What Jeffrey doing locked up anyway?
We'll talk about that later, man. Let's roll. We're late.
Good to hang with you, brother. I'm sorry I can get a little tense.
Don't worry about it.
Hey, it ain't Jeffrey no more. It's OG Loke.
OG Loke.
Oh, yeah, he's a real gangster now.
I see. And what do you do?
Anything he can get thrown in jail for his career, joyriding, parking fines, and some other bullshit.
Huh? Anybody in this state ride?
Hey, there that fool go.
Look at this fool, man. Perpetrating like he banging.
Think he hard. Look at him.
Oh, I tell you.
I know that fool can't be serious.
Hey, what's happening with you, Jeffrey?
Hey, man, it's OG Loke, homie. OG Loke.
My bad. How was it, though, homie?
Man, what you think? How was it?
Hey, chill out, dude. So what you want to do now?
Man, I gotta kill some chola motherfucker. He was dissing me, man.
Hey, Jeff, I thought you was going to, college.
Man, fuck you. Motherfucker done stole my rhymes. He's in East Flores. Hey, give me a strap.
Man, why don't you stall us out with that shit and get in the car? Fool. Get out of the way.
What's your plan, big gangster? Now you a free man and all.
Man, I ain't free. My parole officer lined me up with a job.
Motherfucker always trying to keep a player down.
You got that right. Still, ain't so bad. I'ma be a hygiene technician.
Coming up in the world, huh?
Just a stepping stone to greatness.
You hit me, Buster. I'ma hit you back. Driving punk.
Right on, playboy, right on.
You hit me, punk.
You like my asshole always moving up shit.
Let me hit.
Let me land my game. Keep running. You're pushing me over the edge here.
I ain't gonna say I told you so.
You think that's funny?
Man, this is the spot.
Ain't this Vago's hood?
Man, I don't give a shit. I'm gangster.
Come on, let's leave Loke to deal with Casanova.
Hey, I'll stick with Loke.
Okay, cool. I'll see you guys back on the set.
Who is this clumsy leva?
Freddy, I've come for you, you motherfucker!
Hey, Lo, hold up.
Jeffrey, you got the wrong idea, man. That was just a prison thing. I got plenty of muchachas on the outside. I don't need your scrawny ass.
Man, ignore him. CJ, I don't know what he talking about. Hey, yo, give me back my rhymes, you thief. I'm gangster.
You dropped the soap, sugar. I don't know nothing about any rhymes.
Hey, motherfuckers making a run for it.
Hey, Lo, get back here, nigga. You crazy.
Hey, yo, back off me, CJ. I gotta protect my rent.
Ooh, chase me, chase me!
You know what the road is.
You crazy fool!
Come on, honey, I'm losing my patience. I like the fast ass, not the slow ass.
Make you do this to me, carro!
I thought you were king, coupon. Catch me if you can. Fast for your ass. Yoo-hoo, over here. Hooey, Jeffrey.
Man, my mom's is giving me grief.
You know I love the thrill of the chase.
No, wait!
Try to show a little bit more enthusiasm, darling.
Don't you say a damn thing, CJ.
Was you lonely, Lo? Hey, I like a nice mustache myself.
I keep it real, unlike you fake-ass motherfuckers.
Come on, gangster. Let's get back to the Grove.
Nah, I can't. I gotta go and sign in for this damn job.
Whatever you want. You want to ride anyway?
Sure thing. Let's roll. Hey, take me to the burger shop in Marona Beach.
You're the boss.
Cause I'm keen with the hygiene on a mission like a super technician, baby.
Get on with that shit, man. Look at you, all muscly and shit.
Man, I got 17s on a hang.
You could have did that out here.
Because I did it in the joint, it's real now.
Yeah, I guess it is, gangster.
My car ride up, you cork.
Give you a pass? I can beat up a bit.
You are such a dick.
Oh, you scared now?
I just finished doing a bala in jail.
What does Sir desire? I have enjoyed serving you, sir. Have a wonderful day.